When you start Gramex, you can specify an option to load the browser on your local machine on startup. This can be helpful for debugging. For that, you use hyphen hyphen browser. If you want to disable it, you can use hyphen hyphen browser equals false. Let me show you how this works. So I have an empty gramex.yaml file in this directory. There's nothing else. If I say gramex, then by default, what it'll do is start gramex, process the gramex.yaml. In case gramex.yaml is missing, by the way, then it will report an application error. So that's something you need to watch out for. But since we do have a gramex.yaml, it loads all of the initial services and sets up the port. So it also does a quick check. It loads the configuration and that's it. So Gramex is now running and it gives you the instruction saying it's listening on port 9988. But you can press Control B to open the browser. So I'm going to press Control B and that opens the browser to localhost port 9988. If you want this to happen automatically, then what you do is when you start Gramex, say hyphen hyphen browser. What this will do, let me close the browser here and all of the other items as well. Gramex is loaded and you see that automatically this pops up. You can also add this to your gramex.yaml configuration. What you can do is under the app settings, you can say browser:true. So app browser:true. Now, if I restart Gramex, without specifying the browser option, it still will open the browser because we have specified browser:true in gramex.yaml. So, which is what you see here. What if we want to override this? The gramex.yaml says browser:true, but I want to explicitly change it to false. In that case, what you can do is hyphen hyphen browser equals false. Now, let me close this and I start Gramex. Now, the command line option of browser equals false overrides the YAML option, and you'll see that it's not opening the browser, but I can always press Control B to open the browser or close it and press Control B at any point on the console and then open it.